Hey there, health enthusiasts! Are you ready to unlock the secret to feeling fantastic every single day? Imagine a simple concoction that not only boosts your immunity and improves your skin, but also supercharges your love life. Yes, you heard that right. In today's video, we're diving into the magical mix of olive oil, lemon, and honey, a trio so powerful you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Stick around because I'm going to reveal how this elixir can enhance blood flow and help tackle erectile dysfunction, giving you the confidence you've been looking for. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Now I know what you're thinking. How can just mixing these three things together do anything special for my health? Well, let me tell you. When you combine the incredible health benefits of olive oil, lemon, and honey, you get a true superfood tonic that can work wonders in your body. In fact, this mixture is so potent that once you start taking it, you'll never want to stop. It's like a secret fountain of youth in your own home. So grab a pen and paper because I'm about to share the recipe and all the amazing benefits with you. By the end of this video, you're going to be running to your kitchen to whip up a batch. Let's start by talking about the three main ingredients in this powerful mixture. First up, olive oil. Olive oil is one of the healthiest fats on the planet. It's rich in monounsaturated fatty acids like oleic acid, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil is also loaded with antioxidants called polyphenols that protect your cells from damage. Studies show that regularly consuming olive oil can improve heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. The antioxidants in olive oil may also help prevent certain types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and digestive system cancers. Additionally, olive oil has been shown to support brain health, reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease, and even aid in weight loss. With its delicious flavor and impressive health benefits, olive oil is a must-have in any healthy diet. Up next, lemon. Lemons are a citrus fruit that are packed with vitamin C, an essential nutrient that acts as a powerful antioxidant in the body. Vitamin C helps boost immunity, fight inflammation, and even improve skin health. Lemons also contain citric acid, which can help alkalize the body and aid in digestion. You may ask, how does citric acid help alkalize the body? When you consume citric acid, your body breaks it down into bicarbonate, a compound that helps neutralize excess acidity. This process can lead to a rise in the body's pH levels, making it less acidic and more alkaline. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in lemons may help prevent certain types of cancer, including colon and esophageal cancer. The vitamin C in lemons may also help reduce the risk of stroke and heart disease. Lemons act as a natural diuretic, helping to eliminate toxins from the body and reduce water retention. With their bright, tangy flavor and impressive health benefits, lemons are a great addition to any healthy diet. Then we have honey. Honey is a natural sweetener with amazing health benefits. It's antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal, making it great for fighting infections. Honey is also a good source of antioxidants and has been shown to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Plus, it's a natural cough suppressant and can soothe sore throats. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in honey may help prevent certain types of cancer, including breast and prostate cancer. Honey has also been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Additionally, honey may help improve gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. With its sweet flavor and impressive health benefits, honey is a great natural sweetener to use in place of refined sugar. Now, let's dive into all the amazing health benefits you can expect from taking this olive oil, lemon, and honey tonic regularly. 1. Boosts immunity. The combination of lemon and honey are great for boosting the immune system. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which helps your body fight off infections and keeps your immune system strong. Vitamin C also helps produce white blood cells, which are essential for fighting germs. Honey, on the other hand, has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties, meaning it can help kill harmful bacteria and viruses. Together, lemon and honey create a powerful combination that not only helps prevent colds and flu, but also soothes sore throats and supports overall health. Adding them to your diet can keep you feeling great. 2. Improves digestion. They support digestion by stimulating the production of stomach acids and bile, which help break down food. Lemon's citric acid aids in digestion, while honey has soothing properties that can relieve stomach discomfort. Together, they promote a healthy digestive system and can help prevent issues like bloating. The olive oil also helps lubricate the digestive tract and reduce inflammation in the gut. Regularly taking this tonic can help keep your digestive system regular and healthy. 3. Reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory compounds in olive oil, lemon, and honey work synergistically to fight inflammation throughout the body by fighting free radicals and lowering oxidative stress. Olive oil contains healthy fats and antioxidants, while lemon and honey provide vitamin C and other anti-inflammatory properties. Together, they help calm inflammation, promoting better overall health. This can help alleviate pain and swelling from conditions like arthritis, muscle soreness, and even menstrual cramps. 4. Boosts skin health. The antioxidants and nutrients in olive oil, lemon, and honey nourish the skin from the inside out. Olive oil moisturizes and protects against UV damage. Lemon brightens and exfoliates, while honey soothes inflammation and promotes healing. Together, they fight free radicals, reduce signs of aging, and leave skin looking healthy and smooth with a youthful glow. 5. Supports heart health. The compounds in olive oil, lemon, and honey work together to support heart health in several ways. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats like oleic acid, which can lower bad LDL cholesterol levels while raising good HDL cholesterol. Its antioxidants also reduce inflammation, a key factor in heart disease. Lemons are high in vitamin C, an antioxidant that protects against oxidative damage to blood vessels. Their citric acid helps alkalize the body, which may lower blood pressure. Honey contains antioxidants that can improve cholesterol levels, lower triglycerides, and reduce the risk of blood clots in arteries. Its anti-inflammatory properties also benefit the cardiovascular system. By combining these heart-healthy ingredients, you get a powerful tonic that supports overall cardiovascular function and reduces disease risk factors. 6. Aids weight loss. Olive oil and lemon both contain compounds that can boost metabolism and curb appetite. Taking this tonic first thing in the morning can help you feel fuller for longer and make healthier food choices throughout the day. It's a simple way to support your weight loss efforts. 7. Enhances iron absorption. Olive oil, lemon, and honey can enhance iron absorption in the body. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which helps the body absorb non-heme iron from plant foods more effectively. But olive oil provides healthy fats that support overall nutrient absorption. Honey adds flavor and can make iron-rich meals more enjoyable, encouraging better eating habits. This is particularly beneficial for vegetarians and vegans who may struggle to get enough iron from their diets. 8. Freshens Breath. Olive oil, lemon, and honey work together to freshen breath. Olive oil has antibacterial properties that help kill harmful bacteria in the mouth. Lemon's acidity can neutralize odors and stimulate saliva production, which washes away food particles. Honey also has natural antibacterial qualities, helping to reduce bad breath and keep your mouth feeling fresh. 9. Improves erectile function. Now, I know what you're really wondering. Can this tonic help with erectile dysfunction? The short answer is yes. The anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil and the antioxidants in honey and lemon can improve blood flow and circulation throughout the body, including to the penile tissue. This can lead to stronger, longer-lasting erections. Plus, the tonic can help reduce stress and anxiety, which are common contributors to ED. So there you have it, my friends. A simple mixture of olive oil, lemon, and honey that can transform your health from the inside out. From boosting immunity to improving sexual function, this tonic is truly a gift from nature. Let's move on to the recipe. Now that you know about the individual benefits of each ingredient, let's talk about how to make this incredible health tonic. Here's the recipe, and we're going straight to the ingredients followed by the instructions. Let's go. Half cup extra virgin olive oil, half cup raw honey, juice of 2 lemons, about 1/4 cup. Instructions. 1. In a glass jar or container with a tight-fitting lid, combine the olive oil, honey, and lemon juice. 2. Stir or shake well to combine. 3. Let the mixture sit overnight at room temperature. 4. In the morning, give it another good stir or shake. 5. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of the mixture daily, either straight or mixed into tea, water, or yogurt. And that's it! The hardest part is waiting overnight for the flavors to meld together. But trust me, it's worth the wait. I know it might sound too good to be true, but I can assure you that the science backs up all of these incredible benefits. And the best part is, it's so easy to make and take. Just a couple of tablespoons a day is all it takes to start feeling the difference. So what are you waiting for? Go grab those ingredients and whip up a batch. Your body will thank you. And who knows, maybe you'll even find that your sex life improves too. Remember, consistency is key. Take this tonic daily for at least a month to really see and feel the full effects. And don't be afraid to share it with your friends and family. The more the merrier. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health. Cheers! If you found today's video enjoyable and valuable, you might be interested in my other video on What happens if you start drinking olive oil every night before bed? You can find it somewhere on the screen here, so feel free to click and check it out.